Hi, dear student, how are you? I think you will be fine. Today is the opening of this semester. You have been there in this department from last year, and you all are promoted from second year to third year without any theory examination. Due to the COVID 19 pandemic situation in the world, so we are going to start our semester using of various online platforms. The state and central government encourage online and distance learning methods. Right now, we are starting the semester 5th of third year and going to learn total 5 subjects. That is one switchgear and protection, electrical machine, wiring installation, management, and I will taught an elective subject energy conservation and audit. Before the energy conservation, everyone should be aware of that of electricity, need of electricity, use of electricity, and importance of electricity. Then definitely I sure you all conserve the electrical energy and improve yourself and the nation. So today's main content is need of electricity, why an energy conservation, and how. You are looking these pictures, need of electricity, home appliances, agriculture and industries and hospitals. We know that our basic need is food, clothes and shelter, but you just imagine power turn off or discharge your mobile battery, laptop or desktop. What will happen? Definitely your current work will stop and you will suffer your waste time, waste money, and so electricity is the vital role of your daily life. And so need of electricity, you know the basic need of at your home appliances just like electric iron, electric fan and light purpose. This is the daily use for the educated and uneducated, little and high aged people is used for to morning to night. This is required to all people. Second thing is the agriculture. India is an agriculture country and food is a basic human need and therefore extra in income from the agriculture is a need of our and this requires an electric pump for water and water uses. And you know the third application is industries. Without industries is impossible the growth of our nation and the progress of the country is not possible without industries and industries require more machines for the production and such machines are need to be electric motors for the all machinery. And last is the hospitals. You know the hospitals and every people have need the hospital more times. All testing instruments and equipments used in hospitals require an electric supply. Apart from this, people suffering from the paralysis, cancer, and brain damage are also cured by the taking electric shock. So, this is the need of our and daily for our lives. That is the why and energy conservation. Identify where energy is going. Identify the saving opportunities. Part of the comprehensive environmental program and saving of electricity, coal and fuel oil will be saved. We need to identify where energy is going. Unnecessary use of fan, light, fridge, heater, geyser, iron, electric pumps and wastage of electricity. So everyone should identify where is the energy going. Wastage. Identify the saving opportunities. You can save the electric energy by controlling the above things. Turning off the minimum use of light, fan, TV, laptop and charger. More people is the by mistake of habits. After the completing his work of laptop, fan and charger desktop, but he didn't turn off its or power off its such aids, and that's why he waste their energy, and then he can power up the supply and saving the energy. Part of comprehensive environmental program is related to the human life. Fossil fuel, biomass and waste burning power plants. Near all byproducts have negative effect on environment. He produce the CO2, SO2 and this is the harmful to plant, animal and human health is also. Saving of electricity. Everyone cannot generate the electricity, but by saving the electricity and giving the contribution is equal to the generation of electricity. Coal and fuel. You know the fuel like coal, oil are found in nature and they are now depleted. So we are now turning to natural sources like sunlight, wind, water, gas, etc. And how you can conserve the electricity or electric energy by using the efficient equipments, maximum use of sunlight, use of latest techniques, use of common sense. Efficient equipment means that mostly equipments are coming in market is are star labeled, and star labeled equipments are a minimum waste of energy, minimum spent of energy, and that we can conserve the energy by using the efficient equipments. Maximum use of sunlight. You can open your doors, you can open your windows and get the sunlight from the sun, and that we cannot need of the to on the lights, and you can conserve the energy using the maximum use of sunlight. Use of latest techniques. There are more latest technique in using the innovative techniques. By using the automation, automatically turn off the light, fan, AC by doing the automation. Use of common sense. Mostly the people, after completing their works, they do not off your fan, light, and it is result that waste power is spent, and that's why you make your habit after the completing your work to turn off your light and save the energy. And this is the importance of electricity, and that why energy conservation is most important. And so I sure that you conserve the energy and improve yourself and also the nation. Then we will come to our subject, and this is the core structure, and this is the code number given by MSBT 22525. And in this subject, theory paper maximum 70 marks, and you should obtain out of 28 marks. Duration is 3 hours. Theory and progressive assessment 30 marks, including the 20 marks for class test 1 and class test 2. It drawing the average of 2 class tests, and then overall subject is the one micro project for every student for 10 marks, and practical progressive assessment is 25 marks, and end semester examination 25 marks. Total this subject is 150 marks. Unit of these topics, total 5 topics. First topic is the energy conservation basic. It is for the 8 marks. Second is the energy conservation in electrical machines. It is for the 14 marks. Third chapter is the energy conservation in electrical installation system, 60 marks. Energy conservation through conservation and tariff, 60 marks. And topic number 5, energy audit of electrical system, 60 marks. Overall, total 5 chapters. We are conserving the electricity, energy by these 5 chapters. Means energy conservation basic means home appliances and daily using the in our domestic purpose, how we can conserve the energy from that equipment. And second is the energy conservation electrical machines. Number of machines are using in industries, so how we can conserve the energy from these machines is learn this chapter. And third in chapter, the energy conservation electrical installation system. There are number of electrical installations, and how we can the energy conservation from these systems. And chapter number 4, energy conservation through the conservation, cogeneration and tariff. You know the number of tariffs are using for the consumers by the electricity company, means MACB, means industrial consumer, domestic consumer and agriculture consumer. There are various tariffs are using, and we can proper use of the tariffs, we can conserve the energy by these tariff systems. And also the cogeneration means by generating the electricity by the cogeneration in the sugar factory, chemical factory, solar system, wind system, and we can generating the electricity by these sources, and we can conserve the energy from the cogeneration systems. Energy audit and electrical system. You know the audit. Do you know the audit? Everyone should do the audit because of where energy is going waste, and then we can find the wastage of energy, and then we conserve the energy where wastage energy is going. Course outcomes. After this, learn this chapter and what will you getting the outcomes from this subject. And this is the alternate energy conservation policies in India. Means what are the policies for the energy conservation by the central government or state government, and then implement energy conservation techniques. Which energy conservation techniques adopted by the you and conserve the energy? What are the techniques of energy conservation? Apply energy conservation techniques in electrical machines. Mostly the electric machines are used for the industries, and then there is more opportunity for the energy conservation, and that's why you applying energy conservation techniques in machine and conserve the energy. Use of cogeneration and relevant tariff electrical installation. You know the cogeneration in the Maharashtra, more sugar factories generate the electricity and for the sale, and they can also the conserve the energy their self. Carry out the energy audit for electrical systems. How do the energy audit and conserve the energy and to saving the money of consumers. This is the energy audit, and this is the main introduction of energy conservation and audit subject. And last is the future is our, but we need energy to get there. Thank you.